Hi, myself Harsha Johnson, year 15CS064. Here I'm going to do my second web technology lab exercise, that is working with HTML5 form and media elements. So here I have to follow these elements like table, audio, video, iframe, and etc. Here they have mentioned that our site should consist of two pages, and first page is the company profile page and the second page is the resume form of that for a particular person to fill it to join into that company. They are given guidelines for designing the first page. The first page has three sections such as header, content section and footer, and this header should be at the top of the page. The content section has three columns, then a footer that goes across the bottom of the site and contains secondary information such as location details, contact details and so on. For designing the second page should contain a form to collect the personal and academic details of that particular person. Then they have given validation rules that we have to follow while designing this web page. Now I have hosted this web page, and this is my hosted page. Now I'll show my web page. That is, uh, this is my using HTML. We are doing this. The first page is that first we have given the basic taglines like HTML, head, title, etc. Then this is my company name, Tata Consultancy Service. So I've given center to make it at the center. Then a div tag is opened here. The HR tag is opened to create a horizontal line after this Tata Consultancy Service. Then anchor tag is used, and I've given the mail ID. So these are the things that I've added: services, careers, and recruitment. Then I have created a search box, and a placeholder is given, so it will be mentioned inside the box as search. Then I've created a table, then table of rows and columns. Then this is my video, and controls is given. We have to give control, then only it will be played as autoplay. And the first one is given as TCS new.mp4, and the second one as TCS.ogg. The OGG is to represent that it should be placed as autoplay. Then this is my p tag, and this is my dummy text. So p tag is a paragraph. Then this is my video's iframe, the iframe, the width, height, and the source, and etc. Then this is my audio, and audio should be placed as autoplay loop. So audio controls autoplay loop, such as then comes my form. So here I have given my method as post. Then I've opened a field set, legend, and I've given the username as input type is equal to text. Then password as input type is equal to password. BR is break tag. Break tag is used to give the second line in the second one. Then this is my button value, button and all. Input type is equal to submit and value as registered. Then here I close the field set and form. Now my second heading is contact us. This is my paragraph, and this is the contact details. Then this is my mail ID, and HRF is used, and I have given a mail ID, and when we click on this mail ID, it will move on to the page that we wish to move. Then this is my phone number. Then this is the iframe of another video. Uh, then this is that line is to left, but at the end we are given like all copyright reserved, like that. Now we'll move on to the next page. In the next page I have given a background color as BIS. Then my form action is opens, and I have given here as a method as get and post are the secure and insecure methods. Then field set is opened here, and in the first one I have given a first name. Then a button box is open like input type is equal to text, name is equal to first name, size as 20. When we give a size of equal 20, that the box size will be as 20. When we give placeholder means inside the box it will be mentioned like enter your first name. Then required element is given means, because when we are giving required, when you are filling your form, it will be shown as this one is mandatory to. We mention that only we are giving required, and similar way we do second name also. Then in gender we are using radio button. Then it comes a date of birth. In date of birth also similarly input type, name, placeholder is given. Then in age also type, name, placeholder, and in age it comes between minimum 18 to maximum 35. So it will not exceed above 35 and it will not go down before 18. So it will come in between 18 to 35. And the telephone number as input type is equal to text, size is equal to 20, that is the size of the box. Then the pattern is 0 to 9 to 10. This is to mention that the number should be from 0 to 10, and if we type a number after 10, it will not be displayed. Then the placeholder, when the required maximum length is 10, we are giving required maximum length is 10 is that after 10 it will not be exceeded. Then comes the email ID, same way like input type is equal to email, name is equal to mail, size is equal to 20, placeholder. Then come to progress. Progress is values like to mention that 30% out of 100%. So progress value is equal to 30 and maximum it is 100. After that we have closed the field set and form and all. Now I'll show my web page. So this is my first web page, that is the one we have explained before, this one. So I'll run and show now. I posted it before due to the network connection, so I couldn't open it now. So this is my first web page, and this HR tag is given to give a line here. Then this is my search box. Then these are the links that are created, and if we click on this, it will move on to the page that we wish to move on. Then that your connection problem is there. Since I've given autoplay, this will play continuously when we switch on this website itself. Now this is my video, and this is my YouTube video, and this is the one. So for both we are giving iframe. Now this is the contact and this is the sign up that we have created using form. So we give like then password. Okay. Then we can register it like that. So it will be registered. Now the connection problem is there. Now this is my contact us, the details are given, and this is the map. This is the map of my company. Now this is the mail ID and this is the phone number. When we click on this, it will move on to the next page. Now we'll look for the second page, that is the resume to fill into the company for a particular person. For that, when we are entering the first name, then second name, say when we are giving the placeholder, it will be mentioned inside as enter your second name, enter your like that. Then this is my radio button, so like it will be work like this. If we're giving male, female, it will be work like this. Then in date of birth, I've created a calendar. So this is my calendar. Okay, calendar will be displayed like this. Now this, since I've created it as 18 to 35, it will be like 23 and all, it will be fixed. Suppose if I give 10 and all, see, this is my maximum, 18. And I can't go after that. 18 is the minimum one I have given. Then this is my telephone number, and if I give a particular number, so since I've given my required max length as 10, only this 10 elements will be displayed. After that, if I give another number, it will not be displayed. Then I have to give my email ID, and this is my progress value. And then comes my checkbox and all. This is my checkbox, and for education details. Okay, in education details, I will move on to that. After that, for education details, we have used a checkbox, a table border font to create a table. Then I have given the headings like qualification, board, university. TH is that heading tag, TR is a row tag. Then a checkbox is created of a course. Then I give the placeholder, etc. Then a select tag is used to select a particular city or place and on which one we have to move on. Then I've created a date. The calendar is the calendar content, that is input type is equal to date, name is equal to date, like that. Then input type is equal to date, name is equal to date. Minimum is equal to 30, maximum is equal to 100. That's my progress. In the same way, we'll do for the corresponding BTech, 12, MTech, etc. After that, we are creating a we are opening again a form action. Then it said that we are using the method as get. Then the field set is opened again. Then a table is created, and here we have to create a text area. Text area means of column 30 and rows 8. Then for uploading your resume, we have to create a button like input name is equal to my file and type is equal to file. Then I created a progress value of that is my progress value is 100% out of 100%. Now this is my button value, that is input type is equal to button, value is equal to reset, cancel, submit. These are the ones which I given. Then ampersand NBSP is given to give a space on it. So I'll show my web page. So, okay, in this when we give a few words about yourself, that is in my text area. So I can say that it is a good company, like that we can give the our then like we can give whatever we want. Then this choose file, I can choose file particular area, like from my desktop I can choose my file, then I can submit it. Then if I want to reset it and do it again, I can reset it. Then I can cancel my all things and do it again. So this is my web page. It's my second lab exercise, and that's all. Thank you.